Welcome, my first grade friends, to our phonics lesson for today. Let's go ahead and see what we're doing. So first we're going to do a visual drill of practicing our letter names and sounds. And then we will do an auditory drill of practicing the short A sound this week. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is practice our visual drill, which is our letter names and sounds. So I'm going to have a letter on the screen, and you're just going to tell me the name and the sound. How about we have Rory help us? Rory, come on up. All right, so Rory's going to do it with you. Are you ready? A, B, C, K says K, one sound. D, F, G, H, J, K, L, O, like in lion. M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks, Rory. How'd you do, boys and girls? Let's check our checklist to see what's next. All right, so we did our visual drill. So let's go ahead and we're going to put a check mark there to show that we're done with that. Isn't that awesome? Look, we have one thing left in our phonics lesson, and that's our auditory drill. And remember, I told you that we were going to be practicing with our short A sound. That's the sound that we're going to be working on this week. All right, here we go. There is a capital A and a lowercase a. A spells a. A is a vowel. And this week we are learning the sound we hear at the beginning of the word apple. Look there. There's an A and it says a, apple. The sound is a. The a sound is spelled with the letter A. The sound is at the beginning of a word like at, and it's in the middle of a word like in mat. Can you say the sound ah with me? Ah. Very good. Let's go ahead and practice writing the letter A in the air. And remember, we're having it say ah. So will you say ah with me as we write it? Ah. Very good. Let's do another one. In the air we go. Ah. How about one more for good measure? Ah. Nice work. Now, let's practice hearing that ah sound. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to raise your hand if you hear that ah sound, either at the beginning of the word or if it's even in the middle of the word. I think Rory would like to help us out. Come on up, Rory. All right, remember, if you hear the ah sound, I want you to raise your hand. The first word is map. Can you hear that ah sound in map? Nice work. Is your hand raised like Rory's? Because I hear that ah sound in map. Nice. How about the word man? Can you hear the ah sound in man? Rory can. Can you? All right, let's do another one. How about the word bed? B-ed. No, I don't hear the ah sound in bed either. Let's do one more. How about the word at? Can you hear the ah sound in at? Oh, I hope your hand is raised just like Rory's. Thanks, Rory, for helping out. All right, boys and girls, we were just practicing that short A sound that says ah. Let's go ahead and check our checklist. So remember, we did our visual drill of our letter names and sounds. We have a check mark there, but we also practiced our short A sound. So we're going to go ahead and put a check mark there to let us know that we are done with our auditory drill, which means we were listening for that short A sound. Tell you what, today when you are talking with your friends and family, I want you to be listening to see if anybody says a word that has that ah sound in it, like in cat or flat or splat. Maybe somebody will splatter something. Spell it. All right? So go ahead and be listening today for that short A sound. All right, we'll see you next time, my friends.